Right, next stage, we're going to import some pictures because your task is going to be to make an advertisement, something that advertises Brough Primary School to say what an amazing, fantastic school that we have. So we're going to add some files. To do that, we click on the add button. And down here, we've got this option to import from social sites, and we've got Google Drive. So we're going to click on Google Drive. And here's Paul's account. I'm going to click on Paul's account. And then I'm going to click Allow. We trust WeVideo. Now, we're not going to drag and drop anything in there. We've got an import button, a range of options here. And look, here's Google Drive. We're going to click on Google Drive. And I'm going to go inside Classroom. I'm going to go inside Birch Class. And look, there's no documents inside there. So we're going to import from Google Drive, which is just down here. We're going to click on this. And you should see up here your shared drives. I've just created this actually. If you click on it, you'll see a big fat folder called Pupil Files. Double tap on that. And your first folder in this is called Photos for WeVideo Advert. Double tap on that. And I've just put a really nice selection of about 35 photos. So not like last time when we did our website design. Just a small selection so that it doesn't overload your Chromebook. And we're just going to choose some photos. Now, I like the idea of having the school logo as the first one. And that's uploaded. Some little tips there. We're going to get rid of that. We're going to import again. I'm going to go back to the same place. Double tapping every time. And let's see if we can select several photos. Use my Shift key. Do you know what we could do? We could just tap on the first one, scroll all the way down, do Shift and tap on the last one and select. And that will bring in all of them. Now I just pressed on pause on my recording whilst that was syncing. Yours will take a while. Got all 35 photographs there now. And what we're going to do is make an advert for all of us to describe what an amazing school Brough School is and some of the fabulous things you can do here. So an advert is all about persuading people to buy something, to do something, to go to some place, to go on holiday somewhere, or maybe to come to Brough School. So all you need to do is left tap and drag. You can put it into video 1 or video 2, it doesn't really matter. Into video 1. And there's my first photo that's gone in there. And you've got to think about how you're going to describe what an amazing place Brough School is. Which of these photos might be good to start to describe Brough School? Got influences of all sorts of things here, haven't we? So I'm going to start putting my storyboard together. I could put it here, but that's no good, is it? It's not going to be joined up. WeVideo is great because it pops things right next to the nearest picture, and it gives you sort of color codes to show you that it's close or not. we could talk about transitions. We could click on our transitions now. And this is a transitionist. Remember trans, when we're going around from classroom to classroom, we're transferring, we're transitioning. So here we could just click a funky transition like a rainbow. That might be cool. Well, that is cool. And I'm going to go back to my media, pop in another photo. I'm going to talk maybe more about some of the lessons you can do. I'll pop some Chromebook to see how fast I'm doing it now. I'm storyboarding and I'm thinking about the different order we could talk about the school. So we've done some indoor learning photos first. Maybe I'm thinking about celebrations. I think there was one that showed us about Remembrance Day. Did we have a Remembrance Day photo? I thought there was. Maybe not. Never mind. So, another learning photo. And that's kind of moving on to the outdoors. Let me see. Talk a bit about Brough Castle, couldn't I? Talk about our fab outdoor trips. So I'm just left clicking and dragging and dropping onto some sporting things now. One of Sean. Footballing success. How about being responsible? One of our school values. Some litter picking. Learning about other faiths and religions. It's getting there, isn't it? Still scrolling through, thinking about my ideas. Performances. Children enjoying themselves. Everyone working together. Having fun no matter what the weather. Oh, look now. There was my picture about remembrance that I missed. So if I'm struggling and I want to pop that in somewhere, I can just go down here and I can kind of drop it wherever I want. And I've got this option, insert and push. And it just pops it in a nice place. And there's another one there, the canoers. And that's going to go next to the water activities, insert and push. There we go. And I like that image there. Working together, determination and courage. Always having fun, maybe. Where's the one I wanted to finish on? I want to show us that we're based in England. And I could finish off with the same image again. So there we go. Got all my photos in line now. And I can drag my marker right to the beginning and start to press play at any time. Looking good. Now with lots of options here, we can add some captions. We can even narrate, talk over our video. We can do our transitions, and we can include some music in the background if we want. So I'm going to have a go at adding some transitions. If I've just got one photograph clicked and I go all the way to the end and do Shift left click, it'll highlight all of them. Okay, if I do Control left click, I can add a transition. Right, so I'm going to have a go at putting some text captions. And I've just been reading up that to make text work one over the other, I've got to have the text on the top video. So I'm going to just drag everything down there so that it's below. And then I'm going to go over and click on text. And nice simple text here. Pick it up and drag it into about here. Double tap on it. Type in Brough School. A place to learn, have fun, and thrive. Now I've got that typed in, I can change the text font maybe. Pick something that's a little bit more relaxed. I'm not so sure I like that. Or that. How about cabin? That'll do. And if I want to move it a bit, I'm going to pop it up there. I can change the color of it. How about some Brough blue? Well, that was a background. Don't want that. There you go, got rid of it. Is that one the font? Oh, I see, that's a highlighted background. That might not be bad. This one will be the actual colour, won't it? Now that's a bit confusing. Maybe a shade like that. Okay. Let's save the changes. Just drag my cursor back a bit. And let's play. And there it is, the text inside. That works nicely. And that'll stay on there for as long as I want it to. If I want to add another text box, I'm just going to pick another one up, pop it here. Make it shorter this time though. And we know it's over a Chromebook picture. So I'm going to pop it, just double click inside. We have the best technology. And I might make that a little bit smaller. Drag it down a bit. So I don't want it to completely swallow the picture up, do I? I might put it down here a bit. There you go, that's good. Save changes. Then drag my cursor, see what that looks like.